girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a summer clothing haul, and this is actually my second time filming this because I lost all of the footage from when I filmed it the first time. So I am filming this for you guys today. I'm going to try and upload it and edit it and film it in the same day. So we'll see if this works out, but if not, then sorry about it. But I went shopping and I got a lot of stuff recently. My skin is really oily. Give me a sec. So I definitely spent way too much money, but I don't have any regrets because it was all stuff that I definitely needed, and I was running low on like shorts and just random t-shirts and stuff. So I was splurging, and yeah. This is definitely a collective haul. I did not buy all this in one trip, but I have been collectively buying this stuff for a few weeks now. So I just want to show you guys this. If you're new to my channel, you don't know who I am, I'm emmaromano. I make weekly YouTube videos, and I'm actually uploading twice a week now that it's summer. But if you like this video, I'd love it if you would subscribe and stick around. There's a lot of really fun videos coming. I'm leaving for 5 weeks in a few days, so I'm gonna be living out of a suitcase for 5 weeks, and I'm really excited about it, honestly. So yeah, everything that I bought and show you guys, I have it on a Dote list, and it's just called Summer Clothing Haul 2018, I think. But yeah, so if you want to know where any of this stuff is from, or like know how much it is, or get it yourself, it's all linked on Dote, and that's just an easy place to keep it all in one spot. So it's easier for you guys and easier for me as well. My Dote is just at emmaromano, and I'll have it linked down below. So I'm gonna do the disclaimer that I shouldn't have to do, but I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I'm so grateful that I'm able to buy all this stuff. And yeah, honestly, if you think that I'm trying to brag, then like click out of this video. But I get so many comments saying like, oh my gosh, you're trying to brag. But like, I do it as a disclaimer in the beginning of every haul that I'm not trying to brag at all. And honestly, if you clicked on a video that says haul in it, you know that it's just gonna be people showing you what they got. So you should know what you're getting yourself into when you click on this video. So if you didn't want to see people bragging, then you shouldn't have clicked on the video, but you saw the title, so your fault. So I went to Madewell first, and I got these jeans that I'm obsessed with. They are the Madewell Cruiser Straight jeans, and they're kind of like boyfriend, like they have this like design, I guess, on the bottom. It's just like hemmed weird, but I really love it. And it has lines down the middle, and it's just like a pair of jeans that unlike anything I've ever had, and I've never had like Madewell jeans, so I'm really excited about them. I definitely spent a little too much money on this, but I got them for a really good price because I got them on sale. But I love these jeans, and they're just so comfy. I wore them all day today. They're really cute and comfy, and I love it. Also for Madewell, I got this shirt. It's just this black shirt, and you can't really see it. You'll see it when I try it on, but it like ties down in the front right there, and I really like it. It's like a weird material, but I don't mind it. So very cute, unlike anything I have, and I don't know how to explain clothes, so sorry. So everything's kind of like mixed up since I already filmed this, but I'm gonna try and get everything back in order. The next place that I went to is Urban Outfitters, and I never usually find anything that I love at Urban, but I found a ton of stuff this time, and I got a lot on the sale rack too. So I got this dress. This is the one thing that I couldn't find on Dote to link it. So I'm gonna try and find it on Urban Outfitters website, and I'll link that below, but if I don't, I'm sorry. It was on the sale rack, but just looks like this. It's a cute little black dress, and it has like stitching, white stitching, and then pockets. I love pockets on dress. Spaghetti strap, and it's like straight across, and I just love it. I have a lot of fancy events I need to go to this summer, so that'll be great for that. Then I got this jean jacket, and this is another thing that I spent way too much money on, but I needed a good jean jacket. And this one's super cute. It's cropped, and it has like fringes on it, and I love it. Yeah, it's a medium. I usually get stuff in small, but I wanted this to be a little bit oversized. So it's from the Urban Outfitters brand called BDG, and I think that's just like their denim company. I don't really know, but super cute, and just like such a summer necessity in my opinion. Then I got a ton of shorts on the sale rack. These are also from Urban Outfitters BDG brand, and I got these for $20, which is amazing for an Urban Outfitters if you know what Urban prices are. So these are just like two different washes. There's a light wash and a dark wash, and I think it's super cute. Same thing on the back. And fringe, I definitely needed a lot of shorts, which is why, like, the main reason that I went shopping. But I did get a successful amount of shorts. So then I got also from BDG Urban Outfitters the same, not the same like, but it's like the same style, I guess, but in black. There's rips on it, and just basic black denim shorts. So yeah. The next thing I got is a bralette. and it's just plain black in the front, and then it has lace on the back, which I love. Super cute, and just really need new bralettes, so got some. Actually, I got one, but whatever. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna show you, I ordered off of Dote, and this is from Nasty Gal. I had never ordered anything off of Nasty Gal, and this was the first thing I ordered off of Dote actually a few weeks ago. It's probably about 2 months ago now actually, but I ordered this and I love it. It's a little bit see-through, so we're gonna have to figure something out. It's like a lot of bit see-through, but whatever. It is this dress that is 3/4 length sleeves, and it's just flowy and open back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Maybe you will when I try it on, but it's open back and it just has stars all over it. It's unlike anything I ever have and not usually something I would go for, but I don't know, I felt like being a little risky, so I got it. I really like it, and it was cheap on Nasty Gal, so that'll be linked in the Dote thing as well. The next store that I'm gonna show you is Marshall's, which I never usually shop at Marshall's, but my mom saw these and thought they were super cute, which they are. So she got me this bodysuit, and it's like pink, white, and navy striped, and then it has like kind of an elastic strap, I guess. It's like a v-neck and bodysuit, and this was only $9.99. Like, Marshall's has actually really cute clothes, but cheap prices, so that's great. Then she also got me, to wear with that, she got me a white skirt, and it's just button up, super cute. This was $14.99 at Marshall's, so another like staple item that you should have in your closet, but really cheap, so that was great. The last place that I went to is, I'm really zooming through this haul. Like, I feel like the first time I filmed it, it was like 20 minutes of footage, but whatever. So the next place I went to is PacSun, and I made like 3 different trips to PacSun. So I guess I'll show you my first trip. Actually 4 different trips, yeah. So I got this 2-piece set. Once again, unlike anything I ever would wear and anything I have in my closet already, I am literally obsessed with this, and I'm so happy I got it. I would not usually like go for something this far out of my comfort zone, but I'm very excited about it. So it's just, I thought that this was lavender, but it's not. It's clearly white. I just might be colorblind, I don't know. But it's this white skirt, and it has pockets. It's just like a zip up white denim skirt. And then to wear with it is, this is a 2-piece set, and it's just this overall crop top. It's like, you know, overall straps. So cute, guys. I'm literally obsessed with this. Hopefully I'll wear this to school, but I know I probably won't because I care too much about what people think, but whatever. So that was the first trip to PacSun. And then I made a second trip, and I got these shorts. They're lace up, and they're super cute. It was really a struggle to figure out what underwear to wear with these, but I figured it out, so we're all good now. But very cute, and just, I love them. They're a little scandy, but don't worry about it. That's the goal. Not really, but shh. Then I got this shirt that had been on my Dote wish list for forever, but I got it in store when I saw it. Just this tank top, in what world is this a tank top? No, this is just a basic white tee from Brandy, but I got it at PacSun because Florida is too unprivileged to have Brandy Melvilles, I guess, apparently, whatever. Just says Oxford 1991, and it's just really cute. I think maybe I'm gonna wear this to Disneyland, but I don't know actually. It's white, so sweat will go through it, so maybe not, but I love it. Then from the same trip, this is the second trip, I got this tube top, and let me tell you something about Brandy Melville tube tops. First of all, this is the one I got, just multicolored. There's like navy, yellow, maroon, pink, white, purple, orange, army green. There's like everything. I don't know, I love it. So these tube tops, this is the 5th Brandy Melville tube top I have. I just have them in a variety of colors because they're so comfy. I was literally wearing one 5 minutes ago, but I took it off because I wore a tube top in my last video. But I have 5 of them, and I'm obsessed with them. And the goal is to have every single color of the Brandy Melville tube tops just because I wear them so often and they're so comfy. So that's the goal. We'll see how it works out. So on my 3rd trip to PacSun, this was something I ordered on Dote. And it just came in a few days ago, but I ordered this on Dote because the one that they had in my store, they had the same one but with navy stripes, and I wanted the one with red stripes. So I ordered this on Dote, and it's just this crop tank top from Brandy. I guess this is technically from Brandy, not from PacSun, but whatever, same with all of this. Yeah, super cute. I saw Luca Whitaker, she wore this, and it was so cute, so I was like, I have to have it. Just a cute, simple, like, staple tank, right? Okay. So when I first filmed this haul, I didn't have these next two pieces because I just got them about 5 minutes ago. I got back from the mall. But I'm glad that I had to refilm it because I really want to show you guys these pieces. These are both Brandy Melville, but I got them from PacSun once again because we don't have Brandy Melvilles in Florida. It's a struggle, but whatever. So I got these cute flowy shorts. These were on my Dote wish list as well. We're just gonna hi Dote. I hope you're watching this. But it has a pocket on the back. Cute, right? Flowy. And then it has navy and red stripes on the side. These are really cute and like I love them. They're really comfy, so it'll be great for the summertime. And then I got this t-shirt. Looks like this. It has gray, navy, white, and red stripes, so very 4th of July, but I don't know, it's cute. I don't really have that many like simple tees anymore, and I just like this. It's kind of cropped and I'm happy about it, so that's all. So that is everything that I got for this summer. I'm so excited to start wearing this stuff. If you want to see me wearing these outfits, then follow me on my social media so you don't miss a picture. Turn on post notifications on for YouTube and follow me on Dote to see where I got everything from. It'll be linked in the description. Look at this. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Be sure to comment down video ideas below because I'm going to be traveling a lot this summer, so I don't know what you guys want to see while I'm traveling. But I hope you guys like this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.